Hey guys, Liz with the Busy Bee here, back with a new quick and easy crochet tutorial. I love these little hearts. They just have so many uses. You can gift them as pocket hugs, use them as decoration for cards, or as bag charms, and so much more. So let's get started. The materials you'll be needing today are your scissors, yarn needle, crochet hook. Today we'll be using a size 4mm or G6, and your yarn. Here I'll be using weight 4 cotton yarn. So let's get going. We're going to begin by making a magic ring. So we're going to take the short end of our yarn and wrap it over our two fingers going away from us, just like this. Now with our crochet hook, we're going to go into that magic ring and pull up that back loop. Now we can pinch everything here and take it off of our fingers. Now we're going to chain 2. So yarn over and then pull through and then repeat that one more time. Now we're going to make 2 double crochet. So we begin by yarning over, inserting our hook into that magic ring, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Now that we have 1 double crochet, we'll repeat that same process one more time. Now we are going to make 2 half double crochet. So it's very similar. We're going to yarn over, go into that magic ring, yarn over and pull up a loop. But this time we're going to yarn over and then pull through all 3 loops in the hook. Just like this. Now we're going to repeat that one more time. Now we will make 1 double crochet into the magic ring. Okay, and here we'll make 2 more half double crochet just as we had done before. And after this we'll make 2 double crochet. Now we will chain 2 and make a slip stitch into that magic ring. For a slip stitch, we'll insert our hook into that magic ring, pull up a loop, and then just pull through a loop on our hook as well. Now here we can fasten off the yarn, leaving a bit of a tail. Now the next step is to go ahead and close this magic ring. Once the magic ring is closed, it should look something like this. And the last step is going to be go ahead and hide those tails. And here we have our heart. I hope you enjoyed this pattern as much as I did. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on all the fun projects coming your way. There are so many great tutorials already up on the channel. Head on over and check them out. Let me know what you think. I love to connect with you all and read your comments. Alright guys, until next time, bye!